We're back with Joey Atlas, and now your message is that you can get rid of cellulite with targeted exercise.
Precisely.
So
Right?
it's not inherited. This is not something that we cannot do anything about, right?
No, those are all phony marketing messages.
So what is it then?
Cellulite is simply caused by mushy, untoned, saggy muscles under the skin, and that's why the skin looks the way it does.
So you've got a program that focuses on those areas and that tones it up, and you brought a couple of ladies with you who have
Right.
gone through the program.
Exactly.
Right. First up, we have Jessica, and that we have a picture of you back in August, and here you are now. So, were the exercises difficult?
They weren't. They may have been a bit challenging in the beginning, but over time you just sort of learn to perfect them.
How do you feel about the results?
I'm thrilled with the results. I really am. I've been doing it for about 3 months now, and it's a convenient program. I did it at home on my own, and I'm seeing great results. It was definitely effective.
That's great.
Yeah.
And we also have a before of Michelle. We have
Michelle, yes.
Michelle when you started out, and then you now, and you look fantastic. How do you feel?
Good, great. Yeah.
A nice change?
Yes, very nice change.
How about you? Did you find it difficult to do these exercises, to stick
No,
with it?
you know, not at all. Especially I have 2 young kids, so many times I was doing it and the kids were doing it with me, and I went on vacation. I was able to bring, I printed out each exercise, and so I was even able to do it on vacation.
Well, I've used creams before. Have you guys used any of the creams?
Tried everything.
Yeah.
Okay. So you actually are seeing better results. You're seeing
Yes.
results with this.
We're seeing
Yeah.
results, and you just feel better overall. It just makes you want to diet a little bit more, work out a little bit more. We did Joey's program about 4 days a week, and it just gives you an overall great energy.
All right, so Joey, you're going to take the ladies, you're going to show us some of the moves that you use. Just give us a little sample of the program for
Yes,
folks at
we're
home.
gonna do that right now.
All right, we're going to step
gonna
out of the
step
way.
right here.
Take it away, Joey. Let's
All right,
see.
let's go to elbows and knees for the single leg lift. Let's put the right leg straight back, toe on the ground, and keep the toe pulled toward you. We're going to lift up very, very slowly. Slight pause at the top. Down slowly, touch, and up very slowly, a little higher now. Slight pause at the top. Down very slowly. And let's do one more, all the way up. Slight pause and down. All right, let's stand up. Let's go to the catcher squat. Let's get on our toes. Heels up high, arms out front. As you keep the heels up, we're gonna come down slowly, keeping those heels off the ground, staying on our toes and up to the top. Let's try for 2 more here. Heels stay up. We're on the toes and the balls of the feet. Knees are slightly bent at the top, and 1 more. Slowly, keep the balance up. Excellent. All right, 1 more. We're gonna do the back and forth lunge. From here, we're gonna step forward with the right leg. We're gonna touch down with the opposite hand all the way back through. Touch down with the opposite hand in front of that foot. All the way out front, touch down. All the way back, touching down. 1 more time. Opposite hand touches. Opposite hand touches here.
Wow.
Excellent.
I
Very
feel
good.
like I burned some calories just watching all that.
That's hard. Those squats are very, very hard.
I
I've done
know.
those
When
before.
you stay up on your toes and you guys go down like that, I'm like, oh, my knees hurt.
I looked at him and I was like, those are hard. I've done those before.
Thank you so much. And ladies, thank you so much for this.
Thank
The
you.
results are pretty
And
obvious.
congratulations on your
Thank
progress.
If you at home would like to find out more about Joey Atlas's Naked Beauty, the Simulast method, go to bettertv.com. We'll put a link there so you can get everything that you need. We will be right back.
Ready, JD?
You think you do it? Oh, you can do it.
I can't.
Not in a
Not in
skirt.
heels. Not in heels with a skirt.